This is the third video on AHP. In the first video we have seen basics of AHP and how we have derived the weights and tested the biasness using AHP method. In the second video we have improved the derivation of weights so that the lambda what we are calculating becomes equal, this one. Now in this video we will see how to fuzzyfy it. See, suppose we have got this pairwise comparison matrix. So here rainfall is moderately important than texture. But in some cases, suppose your expert is not that much confident. So he may suggest like it may be 4, 5 or 6 when you are comparing rainfall and texture. So here we will be using this fuzzification only, the fuzzy expert opinion, like my expert is not confident that it is 5, it may be 4 or it may be 6 also. Similarly, when he is comparing rainfall and AWC, he is confused between 2, 3 and 4. Similarly for others. So what we are basically doing, we have taken this original weight in the middle and one less and one more we have done for each cell. So basically for each cell, see each criteria you will be having 3 weights. It's a range of weights. So now we are having for 18 cells you have to write like this, the matrix. And this is the earlier weights using simple AHP. Now what we are doing, here is one more important step to consider. See, here this is 4, this is 5 and this is 6. Here it will not be 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6. It will be opposite of that. So here it will be 1 by 6, here 1 by 5 and here 1 by 4. Similarly 2, 3 and 4. So first we will be taking 1 by 4, then 1 by 3 and then 1 by 2. Similarly you have to fill the lower diagonal also. Now what we have done, we have taken a geometric mean of, see, geometric mean of all the first cells of each criteria. Okay, so this is 1, 4, 2, 6, 4 and 6. So it will be the geometric mean of the first cells. Similarly, this will be geometric mean of all the second cell and this will be for all the third cells. And for each criteria we have to follow the same formula. So this will be the geometric mean for each cell. Now we will be summing it up, sum of all these criteria for each cell, cell 1, cell 2 and cell 3. Now we have to inverse it, means 1 by this sum. Similarly 1 by sum of the geometric mean of the second cell, like this. Now we have to arrange it in ascending order. So the first will be this one, then second and this is the third one. Now we will be getting fuzzy weights for each cell first. Okay, so this is the, it will be a multiplication of this and this, what we have arranged in ascending order. Similarly this is this into this. So you have to do for all 3 and then we will be taking the average of all these 3 weights. If you are summing it up, it may exceed 1. Okay, so we have to normalize it. So just we have to divide the first cell by the this one, by the sum. So this will be our final weight. So see, you can just compare the earlier one. This is 0.454. This is 0.455 or 456. Then this is 13 point for texture. This is 13.37. Here it is 14. Here 20.97 and this is 20.4. So these are the fuzzy weights. So once again we will see what are the steps. First you have to get 3 cells for each criteria, 3 columns. So it is 1, 1, 1 for rainfall. Here it will be 1 lesser and 1 higher value. You have to do like this for each cell. Here it was suppose 1 by 3, so it is 1 by 4 and this is 1 by 2. Okay. The second step is very important, that while you filling up the lower diagonal, you have to inverse this also. So it will not be 1 by 4, it will be 1 by 6 and 1 by 5 and then 1 by 4. Okay. Then we will be taking the geometric mean. Just you have to type in the formula bar geo mean, and we will be taking for all the first cell, geometric mean of all the first cell. Similarly, geometric mean of all the second cells, and this is geometric mean of all the third cell. Similarly for texture, AWC, all the criteria you have to do. Then you have to sum for each cell, and then you have to get inverse of these, and you have to arrange these inverse in ascending order, and then you have to multiply each cell with this ascending order of inverse of the sum of the geometric means of first cells, of second cell and of third cells. Okay. Again, multiplication of for rainfall second cell, then for third cell, and then we will be getting average of each cell, and it may exceed 1, so we have to normalize it. So final weight will be this one. I will write here final fuzzy AHP WEI weights. So this is how we can fuzzify the AHP weightage in Excel. Thank you for watching.